All right, design lovers, this next segment is a treat, or I want to give you guys a different take on accenting your Christmas with black. We're in this kitchen, we have the black going on and the warmth. So when you're decorating with black for Christmas, as I think I did last year for the Christmas entry tree, which was absolutely fabulous. So if you're decorating with black, what black does is it gives a sophistication, it gives it a warmth, and it's a different take on the traditional Christmas colors. It can be dramatic or it can also be moody. So I've come up with, I think I'm gonna do 3 different looks. If you want to accent with the black, that is absolutely gorgeous. It's over the top, but yet it's classy and sophisticated. Let's go. First step, I'm gonna start with this riser. Actually, guys, this is a cake stand. So it's not even a riser. I'm gonna link everything below. It is a cake stand that I'm gonna start with. And then I'm gonna place this gorgeous wooden bowl on top. Don't worry, I'm gonna link everything. These things are still available, but look at this. This is a wooden bowl painted black. And if you could, I've had mine for about maybe 3 or 4 years. If you can get your hands on one, go ahead and purchase it. Endless things that you can do with this bowl. So now I'm gonna take my NORFOLK garland here and just place it on top of the bowl, but I do want it to hang over. And this is going to be my base. Look at that. Didn't she look rich? It looks rich, darling. Just fabulous. All right, so I want to make sure that I have fixed this so it doesn't come off. And all I'm doing is I'm tying it with the branches. I haven't even spruced this up, but that's fine. Next, I'm going to take some of my NORFOLK stems here, and I'm just going to place it strategically around. And these need to be fluffed up as well. They've been, stored for the last year. And all I'm doing is I'm adding to the drama of this. That's it. Instead of having, tons and tons of garland, which the garland can be expensive. So the NORFOLK stems is an inexpensive way to add and beef up things without spending a lot of money. At least the stems that I have been able to locate, I think they are well worth every single penny that I've paid for them because they look so real. It just looks amazing. All right, so I'm trying to see how many others I want to use. This is a trick. I like to mix up my NORFOLK garland. Like this one has the actual cones on it. All of the limbs have a wire. So I'll mix that up a bit. And you see how I just stood that up? So each time I'm placing something inside, I want it to elevate and rise up just a little bit. On this back side, since this is a center stage, you want to make sure that you're covering all the angles around. And she's coming together really nice. Now I'm bringing in a different color. So this one's a little bit deeper that in terms of color that I want to place. And I will stand this one up as well. I could have taken and filled the bowl first, but I'm trying to hurry up. And this isn't permanent. These are just things that I'm showing you guys that you can actually do. All right, so if you wanted to make sure that something's going to stay permanent, go ahead and fill the inside of your bowl with stuffing. I am going to add this rattan cone, which is the perfect color. Now the stems around it are more stabilized because they're actually are bleeding into the cone. I'm using the cone to affix some of the stems, but look at this, is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If I wanted to live in a world of perfection, I would add this on top, and it actually covers all of the end of the stems, and that is simply lovely. Right? Now I could add the battery operated lights to this, which I'm not for this application. If this was something permanent that I was gonna leave out all year, I would add the battery operated lights to this, and it comes on with the remote control. I almost want to do it. This is just, I have so many stunning ideas to capture. It's like, okay, where do I put all of this? Because I'm literally creating this as I'm talking to you guys. I am just visualizing what I have. So I'm using what I already have, and I'm just throwing it in here and putting it together. But this is stunning. This piece by itself alone, it's simply stunning. Just stunning. If you want to use this for a centerpiece on your table or your entryway, just doing this, adding a little garland and a cone, but I'm not finished because I'm gonna set up this island as though this would be for the day that I function or the day that I serve and have hosts for a party. All right, next I'm gonna bring another riser, and it's black. I want to bring one more riser out, and we will have the twin effect. Okay, I'm doing this from behind, so leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if this looks good. I want to add these bells. Guys, these bells are just delicious, right? And they're the perfect height. And what I've done is I've added some brown ribbon on the bell, and it's a functioning bell, which can be a little annoying, but I like it. These are different sizes, so this bell is larger. Look at this, it's gorgeous. I have these all over the house, and it's just an elegant touch to Christmas. And then I'll do something a little bit different so that it doesn't seem to be matchy-matchy, is I didn't put the brown ribbon on the two here. And I hope you guys, let me check to make sure you guys are getting all of this lusciousness, every last bit of it. Okay, next up, I want to add these gorgeous nutcrackers. Look at this. Look at this. Just, oh, MG, that is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And I'm going to place them like so. I just, oh, that's gorgeous. And it's a little bit of black, just a little bit. I'm loving that. And then I'm gonna place candles, one here, one here. I think I want one behind, because you can't forget about the back of something, and another one on this front corner, right there. Let's see what that looks like. I do believe that is exactly what I wanna do. All right, now you have it. These candle lights are to die for. They're on a remote control, and yeah, you can set it with a timer. You can turn them off, on. I can set it with a timer. I can actually change the light, and they'll start to flicker. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the flickering, the effect of the flickering in the candle, but guys, what did that take me? All but 10 minutes to set up, and this is the first arrangement vignette that you can do having the black, and she is simply stunning. I love the NORFOLK garland. If I wanted to elevate this even more, I would just light up the garland around here and it would really scream just Christmas and magical time. But right now, I'm loving the contrast with the bells, and that's what you can do. Instead of having things that are completely black and white, you can always add a little gold, a little brown. All of these colors work very well with black.
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.